Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to automatically add a signature in Outlook when replying to emails. It will be really simple and easy. First of all, we need to access Microsoft Outlook. If you are not already there, go ahead and open your web browser and navigate to the Outlook website. Once you are here, look towards the top right corner. You will find the sign in button. Make sure to sign in. Once you are signed in, you will see this gear icon in the top right corner. Click on that button to open the settings menu. From the drop down, look for the option label account and click on it. Then in the account settings page, you will find several options. We are looking for signature, so go ahead and click on that signature option. This will take you to the signature settings where you can manage how your signatures appear in your emails. Within the signature settings menu, you should see two fields or drop down menus specifically for replies/forwards. This is where you will need to select the specific signature you wish to add automatically when you reply to or forward emails. If you don't have a signature setup yet, you might need to create one first. However, assuming you have multiple signatures, simply choose the one you want from the list. Finally, make sure all the changes you have made are saved. Look for the save button and click on it. This ensures that all your settings are securely stored and will be applied the next time you reply to or forward a message. And that's pretty much it. That's how to automatically add signature in Outlook when replying. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.